So you want a picture with your waifu, but she's not real? Don't worry, men in your age group often have thoughts like that. It's completely normal. All you need to do is to go to your favorite search engine and then type the name of your waifu to obtain a picture of her. You can add PNG at the end of that to get transparent precut images, which will make the work a lot easier. Then you have to import that into Photoshop. Next, bring your own picture where you want to add your waifu. First of all, you need to cut your waifu out, if it's not already. I will use the object selection tool followed by the quick selection tool to carefully make a selection around the character. Refine it and then use Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the selected portion onto a new layer. I also could have made a layer mask using that selection, but you guys are not ready for that kind of power yet. Once it is cut out, you can drag it back into your own image, properly position it and color grade it to make it blend with the background. In this case, I will just turn it monochromatic. Then I will take my time to blur the edges, use the tilt shift blur to match the depth of field and try to add some fake shadows. After that, select a portion of the image that is supposed to be obscuring the character, duplicate it out and place that layer at top. You can color grade the overall image to make it more believable and convince people that the person you love actually exists. Now you have obtained the power to turn your waifus real. Use it wisely. Anyway, I gotta go now. Subscribe if you want more cool stuffs like this. And oh, you can now download high quality pictures of my eye edits if you want to use them as wallpaper or anything like that. I don't know. Link in the description.